A user visits your page. They click play on a video. The player sends an ad request, but then what happens? If the player returns an error, how are you supposed to figure out what that error is and why it happened? Or what if your page was plagued with long loading times? Wouldn't it be great to understand why and be able to mitigate any lost revenue opportunities? Unless you understand the technical intricacies of them, video ad requests can be difficult to navigate and may seem like they occur in a black box. However, Quadruplex sheds some light on the ad request process and provides some much-needed transparency, helping not only with troubleshooting, but also giving an idea of what happens behind the scenes. Here's how it works. It's a Chrome extension, so after installing it from the Chrome store, navigate to the page you'd like to test, right-click, and choose Inspect. This will open Chrome Developer Tools, and you can find the Quadruplex tab at the top. In the video timeline view, once you click the refresh button, the page will load again, and you'll get a readout of every video player action and at which time it occurs since the start of the page load. Each action is clickable, and doing so brings up a card with detailed information on the event. Also, how many other requests happened before each action. So, if there were 50 requests before the IMA SDK loaded, and it took 6 seconds, you might want to make some adjustments so that the SDK loads and sends the ad requests a little quicker. You can also get a breakdown of all content types and domains by the number of requests and weight distribution in the Page Stats tab. If you see a domain that has high numbers in one or both categories, you can blacklist it in the Settings tab, which will block requests to it when you refresh the page. This way, you can run an immediate A/B test to see just how much that domain slows down the video player execution and ad rendering. Quadruplex allows you to dig in and understand the ad decisioning process. You're able to see information about the AdRules response and get details on the VAST redirects in the fallback chain. This functionality allows you to easily see if a request is resulting in too many redirects, causing the player to ultimately time out, or to quickly identify what third-party video partner is failing to return a valid VAST response. Also in the Settings tab, you can replace the domain names, path, and query string parameters if you want to reroute to a staging site as a test. Or if you wanted to see how the site would behave on a phone, you have the ability to do so here. Additionally, you can customize what's shown in the timeline by creating custom events, or activating or deactivating core events. This way, your timeline will only show what you want it to. To see a summary of your page speed results, you can run a latency report that grabs data from PageSpeed Insights. To save this report, click Print, then Save as a PDF. This can then be sent to support if you're seeing issues. This is only a sample of what Quadruplex can do. Install it now to see for yourself how easy it is to just see what's going on with your video ad requests. And if you do see an issue, you'll immediately be able to identify and troubleshoot what creative caused it and why, allowing you to fix it quickly, saving not only revenue, but also time.